smell like you do. Get your pants.
I did just go ahead and put some clothes in the washer. Xander has to refill this for more clothes to go in the washer. But in my kitchen, I have dishes. Stuff to bring to the chickens. Those are clean dishes I need to put away. And I just have this little bit of dishes that I need to wash. I need to do the floors. The floors need to be swept and mopped. But you know, with dogs, cats, and children, that is something that needs to be done daily. I do still have our Christmas containers in here because we get our Christmas tree after Thanksgiving, and this has our lights and Christmas ornaments in it, so I've got to wait until after then to put those away. And then I'm actually making Thanksgiving for us this year because the kids wanted to, so I'm hoping I got enough containers. I'm pretty sure I got way too many, but we will see. We will see. I've already fed you this morning and you're not getting more food. You've already eaten. And the kids do have chores. They change rooms daily. Today Samson is cleaning the kitchen floor. So in today's video, we're going to be cleaning the kitchen because it is a disaster. I showed you earlier in the clip, but there's so much stuff that needs to be done before Thanksgiving. So let's get started cleaning this mess. This is going to be a power hour type video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. I like to do in the kitchen is these wonderful, amazing dishes. And I'm not going to show you me washing dishes just because it's repetitive, and I showed that not too long ago in my previous video. So I'm going to go ahead and knock those out, and then I will show you when I'm finished. And then the only other thing I would like to do is sweep the floor and mop the floor. And then we'll be ready to begin cooking for Thanksgiving tomorrow. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you.